TEMI Kids Bow and Arrow Set LED Light-Up Archery Toy Set with 10 Suction Cup Arrows, Target and Quiver, Indoor and Outdoor Toys for Children Boys Girls. Tart Aiming and Firing Right Away, package contains 1 main bow body, 10 Suction Cup Arrows, Target and Quiver. 2 AA batteries needed, not included. More attractive outdoor toy, the archery set with LED light is one of the favorite outdoor toys for kids. The LED lights make you track the trace of arrow in the night easily and add some cool effect. Educational and fun, kids will practice their accuracy skills, hand-eye coordination, fine motor skills and aim right on target in the most fun and interactive way. Durable design, premium elasticity material of bows and arrows ensure its durable features, not easily broken. It has a smooth surface, which makes it safe for children. Sucker can be absorbed on the smooth glass, wall, and targets. Tongtu 51-inch recurve bow, right-hander takedown bow and arrow set for adult youth beginner, nylon riser archery longbow include 8 arrow. Easy to use, recurve bow set is designed for beginners, adults, small game and target practice, also for outdoor competition training, shooting sport and backyard. Right-hand bow, archery set is designed for right-handed shooters and is very easy to use. Use can choose 30 pounds or 40 pounds according to demand. High-quality archery set, ABS bow riser, composite fiberglass bow limbs, the quality is more reliable, the stability is easy, the energy storage is better, and the speed is better. Recurve bow kit includes 1x recurve bow, 8x arrows, 8x target papers, 4x target pins, 1x user's manual. Easy assembly and disassembly with instructions.